Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do a basic Subaru service in only 5 minutes. Maybe 2, 3 or 6, I don't know. I'm gonna see that after the editing. Anyway, this service includes an oil change, oil filter, petrol filter, air filter, and then the tires rotation. Let's do it! So first of all, the oil change. For that, I'm gonna remove my skid plate. Then drain your oil pan by removing the drain plug with a 17 socket. Then remove your oil filter. Put a new drain plug gasket on and fill your new filter with some fresh oil. Don't forget to lube the seal as well. And then put your drain plug and your new filter on. Now let's fill the engine with 4 liters of 10W40 Castrol GTX oil. For the air filter, it's really simple. You remove the clips, take the filter off, and then put the new one in the air box. For the fuel filter, you have to unscrew the hose clips, take the hose off the filter on both sides. Then remove the filter from its brackets and change it. Now put the hoses and the clips back on. It's done. So now let's get to the wheels rotation, and for that we're gonna use this pattern. It's not a very fun task, but if you do it, you're gonna have an even thread wear on your 5 tires, and at the end it's gonna save your center diff. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account, my Facebook page and my merch store. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.